Did you ever wonder how we became such an addictive society? People use so many different substances to change the way they view the world or the way the world feels to them. From drugs to medicine, to over-the-counter, to alcohol, all different kind of things. So that opens up the doors. Why would people use these kind of substances? Why do people use drugs? Well, there's a million reasons for that. They're curiosity, they're cheap, make you feel part of a gang, peer pressure. There's all different kind of reasons why people would initiate use of a substance, for example. But there's only one reason why they would continue to use, and that is because it makes them feel something. And that blank you can fill in with just about anything. Makes me feel happy, makes me feel sad, makes me feel angry, makes me feel happy. Whatever it is, the substance makes you feel something. See, God made the brain with reward pathways that when good things happen, brain chemistry kicks out and we feel good. What the drug or the activity does is it circumvents that system and it creates an alternative reward pathway system so that is what's supplying the good feeling. What is an addict then? An addict, or a person who is over abusing or misusing drugs, is one that continues to use despite negative consequences. So let's look real quickly. There's two major groups that I like to view addiction in. There's substance abuse addiction, and then there's process or behavioral addiction. Substance abuse is drugs or alcohol. So in a sense, it's easier, simpler. You just take the drug away, and that's a good starting point. With a process addiction or behavioral addiction, it's harder because it's the whole process that's kicking out, this stuff in the brain. It's not just the end result. It's all along the way. So it makes it a little bit more difficult to deal with that. If someone is struggling with substance abuse, whether it be drugs and alcohol or any other drug, or gambling or pornography or whatever, use any information that you see on the website. There's plenty of information, power lines that certainly can help. But also I have a speaking training session that I would like to do. Give me a call, maybe we can set up. It's called The Monster Within, because it's exactly what addiction becomes in the person. As a matter of fact, it's a demonic parasite.